Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian markets were mostly lower Monday, with Chinese shares sliding amid rising concerns over the latest outbreak of avian flu on the mainland. Investors in the region remained cautious amid escalating geopolitical tensions on the Korean peninsula, with North Korea set to carry out a missile test this week. More cases of bird flu afflicting mainland China, and as Asia's largest economy is set to release key data points on inflation and trade. Japan's Nikkei stock average rose to its highest level since August 18, 2008, in early trading as the yen continued to weaken against the US dollar in the wake of a stronger-than-expected monetary easing measures announced by the Bank of Japan last week. The index was recently up 2.4%. In foreign exchange markets, the yen extended its losses against the US dollar and the euro. The dollar was recently at 98.48 from 97.56 late Friday in New York, while the euro was recently at 127.90 yens from 126.77. Whilst the US dollar opens this morning notably stronger, US stocks fell on Friday, capping their biggest weekly drop this year after data showed the world's largest economy added less half than expected number of jobs in March. Given only 88,000 jobs were created, well below the forecasted figure of 198,000. Such figures are even more surprising given the string of positive data flows of late. Reaching highs of 1.3038 against the greenback, the euro is stronger this morning at 1.2992. Monday is a relatively light day for economic reports, although two updates out of Europe today will set the tone for trading as the market looks for fresh numbers for assessing the state of macro. Eurozone Centix Investors' Confidence Index, followed by the monthly update on Germany's industrial production. Eurozone Centix Investors' Confidence Index 8:30 GMT. The sentiment index declined in March, the first retreat since last summer. Another decline is expected for today's April report. It is not hard to understand why analysts remain gloomy when it comes to this benchmark's trend. The state of macro for the Eurozone is not improving, and by some accounts the recession is getting worse, as a batch of February releases from the last week suggest. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.